message finds you all. One great spirits. Well, yes, we are still here. We are still here in California. Unfortunately, what happened is, sadly, our flights are getting canceled because what's happened is San Francisco has an issue with the runway is being under construction, so we haven't had a chance to leave yet because we've had 2 flights already be canceled. But we got some GT500 news, some GT500 update to share with you, and that is that exclusive to us. We're going to be taking a tour of the GT500, our build, our spec, going down the is that 101?
103.
103. Okay, sorry. We just I just saw some room service. I was like, when's that for us? No, basically, let me get back on course here. So what we're gonna do is this: we had to get approval, and we got approval that we are going to head to Detroit during our build date. We're gonna see the GT500 we ordered for the channel roll down the assembly line. I got these teaser clips. Yes, as we speak, the GT500 is being built. They're going down. They're gonna hit the streets. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna have one of the first ones, but that's okay. We'll still share our own journey, our own experience. I'm super excited. I'm super thankful that we're going to be able to do that because how often do you get to see your car being built go down the assembly line? But stay tuned for that. Also, a lot of you want to apologize, hit me up, and why didn't we have a subscriber meet here in California? I didn't know how to plan that out because this was an embargoed event with Ford, and I didn't want to, bring attention to the wrong places. So we're going to do it again. We're going to come back to this area soon rather than later. We're going to do that. So we'll see. I just wanted to share that big news with you. But the question is, what are we going to do now? Well, we're stuck here, right? So what's cool about this lodge is they actually have cars you can take out. So let's go get one of the carts here to pick us up and show you that surprise. Yes, it is a beautiful day.
What are you up to this morning?
I'm gonna take out that Lexus coupe and drive it down a little bit.
Yeah.
The family's still sleeping in, so I'm a little bored. So I said, hey, let's take out the coupe.
Yeah, no, it's a beast.
I like that they offer that option in the lodge.
It's a really cool program. We've got we've got the LC 500, and then we've just got the GSF in, which is my favorite.
GFS Sport?
Yeah, exactly. It's got the same 470. The LC is fun too, though, the coupe.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, the GS is going to fair. It looks like the GS is gone right now, but no, they're all 3 are here right now. So
okay, great.
Yeah, I'll get you signed out on the LC.
I appreciate it.
Suspension and stuff. I'll show you how to do that.
All right, great. Yeah, that'd be great.
Let me get the carpool. I'm going to have you fill out a little bit of information.
Yeah, sure. No worries. Let's do that. All right, guys. So we're going to take out the Lexus, just like the 2018 Mustang we have. It's NA, 471 horsepower and a 5-liter. That should be exciting. Good morning, sir. How you doing? All right, guys. So we're going to sign some paperwork here, and then we're going to take out this Lexus. Very beautiful. The fact that I'm excited. It's NA 50, 471 horsepower, like the Mustang we have is 460. So Lexus is a more comparison versus the Mamba versus this Lexus. But also, maybe this should have been the Supra that Toyota should have built and renamed it instead of a Lexus, a Toyota. Well, that's an attractive car. Look at this. It is something else.
Beautiful car.
What year is this?
So this is last year's model. So I think we're getting the 2020, and this is a 19.
The 2019. Wow. And go ahead, say the specs again.
Oh yeah, so it's got 471 horsepower. It's a 5-liter delivery cam V8. I'm not sure what the torque is, but it's a beast.
Wow.
So,
it is a good-looking car.
You can put it in Sport Plus mode. That's going to stiffen up the suspension.
Sure.
And then you get the full horsepower. It'll change the revs as well.
Very beautiful. Caballo Point Lodge. This is. Let me just take a look at the interior. Well, Well, look at this. All right, guys, let me sign my life away, and then we're gonna take this out for a drive. What's that? No, you're good. No, I'm always recording, but guess what? There's a beautiful word called editing. So, GoPros range from $200 to $500. With the mount, you're looking at about maybe $300 to $400 per GoPro. I like it. When you go on a heavy shoot, you want about 4 or 5 of those guys because angles are king. You know, everyone loves angles. This is more fun and informal. You know.
That's cool, man.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, check my channel out.
Yeah, we'll do it.
It's on YouTube. It's called StangMode. Yeah, StangMode, all one word. Just want to take a look. Same oil I use. Even though Ford recommends 5W20, I use 5W30. So we've set our setting. Very nice. Nice cockpit, I'll tell you what. Very nice cockpit. Well, let's take it for a drive. They already put me in Sport Plus setting. I think you do it up here and you go from there. But let me, all right. So we had just switch GoPros up. All right, so let's do this. The only thing I'm a little fidgety with is a little shifter there. But right now it's getting 13 miles to the gallon. One of the Ford guys took this out already. He said, yeah, we beated this up pretty good. Smooth car, comfortable car. It just missing, you know, what's missing for me in this car, it doesn't have a soul. That's gonna sound weird to some people, but you know, when you get in this, and this is why it's important for a buyer like myself who, you know, buys cars like Mustangs and things of that nature. You know, there has to be some kind of passion. There has to be some kind of energy. You know, that's we talked about the Supra with this car. This is like a very, for lack of a better term, monotone, sterile car. Whereas there's a history, there's a legacy with cars like the Supra, the GTR, of course the Mustang, the Corvette. These name brands have a lot of lineage. So the LC500 doesn't really do it. That's what hurts this car. This car is great. It's fast, V8, NA power, comfortable, all the luxury features, but I don't think it really hit the car scene as hard as they were hoping. So let's take it around town on these corners a little bit. That's just my assessment. I could be completely off base. Lexus SC guys, if you're even watching this, you know, let me know your experience. But like I said, I think that the person who buys this car doesn't really buy it so that they can, you know, show. They don't go to Cars and Coffee. You know what I'm trying to say? They don't go to the different meets and things of that nature. Is what I'm trying to say. All right. So let's. We've kind of putted around here a little bit. Let's go and let's open this girl up and see how she really feels. And handling is nice. I will say that. Handling is nice. And I said it before in the GT350 videos. Boy, I can see myself buying cars just for handling purposes. Because of California roads. Of course, you know, I'm sure the same goes for European cars. You know, the European cars are handle so well and it's common sense. but they handle so well strictly because of the way the roads are. Whereas American cars, we have a lot of straight open roads. I'm not saying California's not America, but I'm saying is, for lack of a better term, there's a lot of open roads, a lot of straightaways. So that's why you have a lot more straight cars. Whereas the Mustang is kind of getting in the space of, not only can you drive it straight, you can drive it on turns, you can drive it all over town, and they want to appeal to those masses. Oh man, this is a beautiful drive. At this point, I'm just going up mountains. I have no idea where I'm headed. I'm just driving on mountain roads, and it is a total treat. What's kind of scary though is you don't know where the cliff edge is, so you're kind of just going. Oh yeah. The suspension's holding. I'm going on some rough roads right now. We seem to be doing all right. Let's see here. All right, we're getting on to we're getting back on the main roads here. All right, let's go. Car sounds great, that V8. As much as they try or are going to move towards hybrid technology and electric cars, you can't beat this sound, man. Uh-oh. I don't know, yo. I'm liking these turns. I dare say I like turning. Okay. Let's go this way. Looks like they're repaving the roads here. Or drawing lines in it. What's cool about this is, even though it's not mine, I don't mind getting a little bit of rocks. Alright, let's see if we can move over to the other side. Yeah, right. Oh man, this is fun. So I'm doing more turning in this drive. But I tell you what, we're headed to the top. Headed to the top of the mountain here. This feels like a video game. Let me put my window up. This totally feels like a video game, I tell you. Slow. These people are like... Looks like they're redoing the roads. If you hear all the rock chips. Let me not hit this guy on his bike. Alright, looks like we got to the... Alright, coastal route. Gates close 1.5 hour after sunset. Alright, let's go up here. I mean, only 15-mile-an-hour roads, but we're having a blast. Oh my gosh, can you guys see this view? Holy cow. This is the view. I'm actually glad I got a chance to drive this before I left. Holy camoli. Wow. Boy, North California has some roads. Whew. Wow. Car handles great. I'm glad we have this car. I tell you what, this scene is ridiculously awesome. All right. Let me show you this scene. I'm going to stop and pull over. You guys got to see this. All right. Now, this is a crazy view. This view is amazing. Car looks great. Let's show you guys. What? Thankful. Definitely appreciative. Look at this view. Only thing missing right now is a cup of coffee. What we're gonna do is we're gonna end the vlog here. Really enjoyed the Lexus, had a good time. I think the only problem is just lacks a little bit of that personality, a little bit of that soul that a lot of sports car guys like, a little bit of the history. They should have did that. That should have been the car. That was a Supra. But long story short, gonna just meditate out here, to be honest with you. Gonna meditate on some things, appreciate what God's done, and appreciate life. So I got a little deep on you guys in this vlog, but just again, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, because you guys know it never ends.